Generating quality leads for a SaaS product can be challenging as your prospects need to do a good amount of research before they might be ready to book a demo or sign up for a free trial of your SaaS product. So what are some of the most effective marketing tactics that can help you educate your prospects to drive both lead volume and quality contacts to your company? The first one is organic searchable content, which could be a blog post on your website or YouTube video content within the themes that are related and your prospects are searching for. Take, for example, someone that's looking for a SaaS video player for their website. They might search something like best video player for my website on Google. If you're present in that search process and rank on the first page of the search results, you can drive that user to your website, and in the process of educating them, you're being perceived as an authority on the subject, which increases the odds that they will consider you as one of their vendors. Also, this is one of the most powerful tactics because you are engaging with a pre-qualified prospect as they are actively searching for a SaaS solution. Now, the one downside to this tactic is that it can take time for your organic content to rank well on Google and YouTube, and you're likely looking to drive results now. Which brings us to the second marketing tactic to drive leads for your SaaS product: paid search advertising. Paid search ads can help your business show up when your prospects are actively searching for you on Google or Microsoft Bing. This tactic is important because there could be many search queries related to your SaaS product that you might not rank for organically, and it allows prospects to find your business even if your organic rankings aren't at the top of the page. Now, a big challenge with paid search advertising for SaaS products is that sometimes the monthly search traffic for your SaaS product category might be low and not sufficient to drive the volume of leads your sales team needs. And this is where our third tactic comes into play: paid social advertising. This tactic can truly complement your paid search ads, as paid social ads can reach everyone else in your target market who isn't actively searching yet and would be a potential customer for your business. This tactic is particularly effective when paired with gated assets like an ebook, a white paper, or a webinar, as the content creates an incentive for your prospects to share their contact information with your business. And when it comes to generating high quality leads for your SaaS product, there is no better social advertising platform than LinkedIn, as there's over 800 million monthly active professionals on the platform, from entry level to decision makers. And you can also target prospects based on many firmographic dimensions like job title, company size, revenue, and much more. So learn more how you can build a high converting LinkedIn ads campaign. Watch my full LinkedIn ads tutorial by following the link in the description. And until the next video, peace.